Hello, my name is Jesse Lyles and I am the Director of Marketing for USB Networking Solutions for SMSC. I'm coming to you live today from CES 2012. I'm going to show you SMSC's USB port replicator dock. We utilize UFX 7000 graphics technology along with our USB 3.0 capability to achieve a one cable connection for duplicating monitors from a simple laptop or any portable application. Using a simple USB 3.0 cable, we are able to connect to the USB port rep dock. Using SMSC's USB 3.0 hub, we connect to SMSC's UFX 7000 graphics chip. Graphics chip allows for two outputs, one being HDMI or DVI, with the other being VGA, to achieve a two-monitor solution. In addition to having UFX 7000 technology, we have also utilized our USB to Ethernet chip, which provides USB 2.0 to 10100 capability. In addition to those two chips, we have a USB 2.0 4-port hub, which allows for additional connectivity to create a complete USB dock solution. For more information, please visit smsc.com.